I found these hinges at Home Depot that line up almost perfectly with the mounting holes of the lights.
Comment vas-tu?
I didn't want to drill any new holes into my Prospeed roof rack, so I used the existing crossbar slots. Here I used a Rust-Oleum rust-resistant rubberized coating to protect the brackets from the elements. I decided to drill a hole into the center of the bracket so that when I mount it to the roof rack, it is level. Okay, so check out our Baja design rock lights with our custom brackets that we created. It can be angled almost up to 90 degrees for your desired, lighting preferences. You go like that, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, wherever you need lighting. When we're driving, we just leave them up like that, and then when we get to our campsite or wherever we're at, and we need lighting, we flip the switch on and angle it however we'd like. Okay, so on this side, we actually have our Rome Adventure Company awesome awning, awesome badass awning, I don't know, whatever they call it. But it does not get in the way of our lighting source here. Pretty awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time.